Hi guys!
Hi!
My name's Chris and this is my wife Mel, this is my son Matthew and my daughter Sophia. And our channel's called A Brit in the Philippines. It's about
living here, everyday living here in the Philippines.
yeah, everyday living in the Philippines, what it's like here being a foreigner, what it's like being married to a Filipina. And our channel is very informative, guys.
Yeah.
It's quite a successful channel already.
And we have 2 days live stream every weekend, guys.
Yeah, 2 days live stream.
Yeah.
And we try to give out lots of information.
Yeah.
So
especially the foreigners that they want to retire here in the Philippines.
yeah, so if you're a foreigner, you want to retire here, we give out some information on that. We've got over 700 videos already, guys, for you to watch. So please join our channel. We'd love to get you subscribers. So until then, guys, bye.